Hi everyone. Hi, this is Dia, dog lover, animal lover, and I strongly condemn all orders and all uh, unethical, inhuman activities happening against Indian dogs. The Indian dogs have been suffering since August 2025. I don't believe that making any species suffer so much will give us peace at heart. What's happening to Indian dogs since August 2025 is unbearable and unimaginable. Small puppies have been brutally killed by being burnt alive. Some were put in sacks and bags and thrown in the jungle where they were crying for help, but no one could come to their rescue because animal lovers have been protesting against the inhumanity happening to Indian dogs. The Prevention of Cruelty 1960 Act protects the domestic dogs as well. I would say what's happening to Indian dogs is unacceptable, unimaginable, and we have to do our best to spread awareness and also to protest against the brutality happening to Indian puppies, dogs, older dogs. What is happening to dogs will not limit to all the dogs themselves. It would be all the hatred which people have started accumulating in their hearts about Indian stray dogs. Ask your own self that did dogs have money to go and buy rabies vaccination? Were they working in the teams and the departments who were responsible for rabies free India, who were responsible for stray animal management control? Animals are not at fault, and we cannot make them suffer by passing on orders to remove them from the streets, put them in pathetic conditions, shelter homes, where there is no food given, no water, no medical treatment, where the dogs, the cats, the different animals die like they rot in hell. Because there has been news where in Ranipur, UP, Uttar Pradesh, there was a shelter home, a Gaushala, where 60 cows were left in open, without food, without water, without any shelter, and crows ate them they had a terrible death. This is not what cows, buffaloes, dogs, cats, all the animals deserve. I strongly condemn all the people who are making the dogs suffer, who are supporting the suffering of the dogs, that the dogs should be removed from the streets, no food should be given to them, people who are stoning the dogs, who are sticking the dogs, using sticks on them, using stones on them. I strongly condemn all the people who are supporting cruelty and inhumanity towards dogs. मैं इतना कह सकती हूँ आप सबको कि जो शिवजी है, उन्होंने वरदान दिया था कुत्तों को, श्वान कह के। जब एक काला कुत्ता था जिसने शिवजी जब काशी आए थे तो उन पे ब्रह्म दोष लगा था। जब वो इधर उधर बहुत परेशान थे तो एक कुत्ते ने उनका साथ दिया था, इसलिए कुत्ते को वफादार कहा जाता है और उसको वरदान दिया गया है। कुत्तों को भैरव कहते हैं, श्वान कहते हैं। जो शिवजी के कुत्तों के साथ हो रहा है वो लिमिट नहीं रहेगा कुत्तों तक, प्रकृति का कहर सब पे ही बराबर टूटेगा। क्योंकि जो कुत्तों के साथ हम कर रहे हैं, जो कमज़ोर जीव जंतुओं के साथ हम कर रहे हैं, वो फिर ऊपर वाला देखता तो है ना कि हम कितना क्रूअल हो गए, हम कितना इनह्यूमन हो गए हैं। I see no people these days who are talking about what's happening to the Indian street dogs. Everyone has come into terms, not everyone, most of the people who don't care, they have accepted that dogs are too much in population. So ask the government, ask Ministry of Animal Welfare Board of India and different ministries who work towards animal stray population control, animal vaccination, and coexistence of humans and animals on the streets. They failed, not the animals. We have failed the dogs. we are punishing them for no fault of theirs. Their only fault is that they don't understand that by just barking, they bark, yes, because dogs can only bark or can only cry. Dogs have no human language to say how much it hurts them when people throw sticks on them, throw stones on them, burn them alive, when bad things like not giving them food, not giving them water, when these things happen to them, how much they feel. Ask a dog. If the dog had the human language, then I think we would have, animal lovers would have cried for sure listening to the dog stories. But what is happening to all the animals in the streets of, or in the Indian streets, is unacceptable. I, as a person, I feel very sad and very disappointed to see that we are making the dog suffer. कुत्तों की क्या गलती है? यही गलती है ना कि उनके पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे कि खाना खरीद के खा सकते या फिर इंजेक्शन लगवा सकते रेबीज़ का या वैक्सीनेशन या अपना स्टेरिलाइजेशन करवा सकते. इसलिए डॉग पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा क्योंकि मिसमैनेजमेंट था इन MCDs, इन एनिमल वेलफेयर बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, इन ऑल द internal organizations working under different agencies who don't care about animals but care about everything else. अगर कुत्तों का पॉपुलेशन पहले से कंट्रोल किया गया होता, स्ट्रीट एनिमल मैनेजमेंट के लिए फीड, उनको खाना खिलाया जाए फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. व्हाई शुड पीपल फीड द डॉग्स? गवर्नमेंट शुड फीड द हंग्री एनिमल्स, राइट? पर एनिमल लवर्स जब फीड करते हैं तो उल्टा वो पिटते हैं. जो नफ़रत का पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है हमारे. मैंने इतना सुना था कि हिंदू और संस्कृति हमारी यही सिखाती है कि पशु सेवा ही ईश्वर सेवा. मुझे नहीं पता ये कैसा पशु सेवा हो रहा है जहाँ पे पशुओं को मारा जा रहा है, जलाया जा रहा है, उनके साथ इतना बुरा हो रहा है, और हम बोल रहे हैं कि हम ईश्वर का भजन कर रहे हैं, हम ईश्वर को स्मरण कर रहे हैं. जो कुत्तों के साथ हो रहा है, जो बिल्लियों के साथ हो रहा है, घोड़ों के साथ हो रहा है, गधों के साथ हो रहा है, जो पशुओं के साथ हो रहा है, वो इंसानियत पे कभी ना कभी तो आएगी. भगवान जी उन्होंने सबको बनाया. गॉड क्रिएटेड ऑल ऑफ अस and God is going to take care of all the creations. I, as a human, pray, as a dog lover, as an animal lover, pray कि dogs को justice मिले and all injustices towards dogs stop immediately. No one has the right to violate the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. It is under the Constitution of India. No one has the right to follow speciesism and killing other animals just because they don't like the other species. So guys, keep protesting, keep sharing about what is happening to Indian dogs. Since August 2025, all the Indian street dogs are suffering, and we have to stand for the Indian dogs.